What's the meaning of Calvinistic? Calvinistic. Calvinistic.
Calvinistic. Calvinistic. Calvinistic refers to a theological belief system that emphasizes the sovereignty of God in salvation and the depravity of humanity. It is based on the teachings of John Calvin, a French theologian who played a significant role in the Protestant Reformation. The main tenets of Calvinistic theology include predestination, the total depravity of man, unconditional election, limited atonement, irresistible grace, and perseverance of the saints. Proponents of Calvinism hold these doctrines as central to their understanding of Christianity. Calvinistic beliefs have had a significant impact on many areas of life, including politics, economics, and social values.